How to speak to AI. This is our tutorial today, our video today about history of artificial intelligence or history of AI. You must give me your attention, please. We start our journey in AI in our channel. Don't end the video direct. You must hear this because you will be impressed about this information. Right now I can say to you, welcome in our channel. TechZone for German, for Leute von Deutschland, herzlich willkommen, for Italian, benvenuti, for French, enchanté, comment ça va, for Spanish, hola. What about history of artificial intelligence? As you see here, in 1966, this was the first programming ELIZA. Yes, since 60 years ago and more. But to be logical, thinkable, this was a pattern design or a pattern from algorithm. You can ask him many things, but there is no feeling, and he will give you an orderly and organized answer. As if you say hello, he will say hello. If you say how are you, he will say fine, but he not meaning the word fine, or he not have the sense to say a joke, I am fine but more better than you. This was the beginning of the meaning of AI, or dialogue with AI, or dialogue with organized answer. After 2 years, this was the second project, and it's a short name for it, Shardal, and it's deal with geometric shapes and colors like rectangle, square, circle, whatever. It's all about math and about imagining how to draw a rectangle. Do you understand me? This was a new era for AI because he can imagine a material form of rectangle and the color even. After a while, this was 2 years ago, about 10 years ago from this time, this was another upgrade. It's called hearsay. He was the meaning of artificial intelligence because he can understanding the speech and analyzing it. How it's come? It's happening by develop more pattern design and algorithm. He was have a large database, and he start to algorithm of searching to specific words and start to analyze it. This was not easy in this time because you cannot imagine how much resource he was needed in this time. But after this was long time, about more than 20 years, we will have the first artificial intelligent AI with the known face. It was IBM Watson. It was in 2011, and in the left photo, it's about the resource of IBM Watson, and in the right there are a competition for IBM Watson, and he won. And this was the meaning of deep machine learning. He can choose the right answer the question, understanding it, you can understanding everything. Now you already know what in the marketing, DeepSeek, ChatGPT, Gemini, they are all in competition to give us the better. All I can say to you right now, I don't know which movie we have, Matrix or Terminator, I really don't know, maybe mix it of both, but you have to learn the AI, and I give you just a push to put you in the first step with prompt engineering. This tutorial it's about prompt engineering. The next level it will give you more and more. After that we will make another videos about generate video and generate photo, generate sound. So you have to understand very well the engineering prompt to understand how to use the dashboard and interface of AI. For now I can say to you goodbye and see you in the next video in our tutorial AI prompting the right way to speak.